Introducing the 2019 Ford F-250. This vehicle still has fewer than 50,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Get the full-size pickup you can count on. This F-250 leverages military-grade aluminum alloy, high-strength steel, rugged components, a stiffer, stronger frame than previous models, and improved axle strength to bring you extraordinary performance, even in the most extreme conditions. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get into a truck with serious work ethic. This F-250 is waiting just for you. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.